Picture Earth not with one moon, but with glowing icy rings stretching across the skies like Saturn. Now imagine those rings blocking sunlight, plunging our world into an ice age. Sounds like science fiction? Maybe not. Scientists have long debated strange climate events in Earth's history. One theory suggests that after a massive asteroid or moon shattered near Earth, icy debris formed rings around the planet. For a brief, chilling moment in history, Earth wore a crown of ice. Why did Earth experience sudden global cooling events known as Snowball Earth episodes? Could ring shadows blocking sunlight have tipped the balance? The breakup theory. A shattered moonlet or asteroid could create a temporary ring system. The cooling effect. Rings block solar radiation, cooling the Earth's surface. Imagine ancient humans or early species looking up at glowing rings in the night sky. Breathtaking, but deadly. Ring lifespan. Unlike Saturn, Earth's rings would be unstable, lasting maybe only thousands of years before falling as icy rain. Some dismiss the idea as speculation, but new computer models show it's plausible. Imagine looking up and seeing brilliant rings every night, then realizing they're the very thing destroying your world's climate. Rings that were both beautiful and catastrophic. Whether or not Earth truly had rings, the evidence suggests our planet has gone through cosmic-scale changes that shaped life itself. What do you think? Did Earth once wear icy rings like Saturn, and could they return one day? Drop your theory in the comments and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries.